Okay, as you guys probably saw in the shorts, I got a broken weld back here right underneath my battery tray from how I had it sort of set up and how I designed it to sit in there. So what I'm going to do now is I just prepped this area on the inside here, sanded off down to bare metal, and I'm just going to put a little JB weld in there and then try to close this seam up from the bottom, and then put some JB weld in on the outside as well, and just hope that kind of binds in there and sort of fills up this seam a little bit. I did design a battery tray that takes all the stress off of that area and puts it now towards the center of the boat, off the seam as well. So I guess we'll get to that, see how it works out. So I got me a little marine quality JB here. Ain't no less is more when it comes to good old JB, you know what I mean? Alright, let's get to mixing here. One problem with this marine stuff is it's both sides are white, so it's tough to see when you really get a good mix in here. Let's get you closer to the action here. I'm trying to get this right in on that seam. Let's see if we can close that seam up a little bit from the bottom. We just got us a 2x4, a little hammity ham. We'll give her a little whack. Alright, that seems to have done the trick. Sort of closing things up there. Alright, so we got our JB pretty set and cure for the most part. I'm gonna drop this battery tray in here. Alrighty. Let's see if we can get it right in here. Okay. Moment of truth here. Alright, I think we got her. I don't quite want to put any weight on that side yet. I just want that to set up overnight, just to make sure everything's gravy there. And then what I'm gonna do is run a support from here to here just to make sure this doesn't move at all. And I think that ought to do it.